Hey, what's up guys? This is DIY Perfect here. Well guys, in today's video, we'll have hands on this Vision drone with Wi-Fi camera. So, let's get started. So guys, let's unbox it. So guys, first of all, you will get here quadcopter instruction manual. I prefer you to read this manual before your first flight of this Vision drone. And here you get 4 spare parts that will protect your 4 propellers of your Vision drone. And a charger that is mainly 560 mAh to charge your Li polymer battery. And guys, here you get battery that is mainly 500 mAh 3.7 volt. And this is Wi-Fi real-time camera. It is mainly 2 megapixel and it records the video in 720p HD. And here are 4 extra propeller in the case you damage the one propeller of your drone. And here is our remote control. With this guys, you will get mobile mount which you have to fix on remote control. Guys, here is a screwdriver and some spare parts of your drone. And finally, this is our Vision drone. This is the backside of the drone. So let's assemble it. So guys, for this FPV drone you need to install this XSW UFO app. You can search it on Play Store, just open it and here it is. Just connect your mobile with the Wi-Fi of the drone camera. Here is the camera view of the drone. Guys, in this way you can connect your remote control with drone. So let's test it. Let's have a look on camera's footage. The quality of the video is not very good. We can say that it is average. Personally guys, I like the 360-degree flip of this drone most. Guys, it mainly gives the flying time of 10 to 15 minutes, but according to its build quality and its feature, it is best drone. If you are a beginner and searching for best FPV drone, then it is the great choice for you. The product's link will be in description. Thank you guys, this is for this day, and subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment and stay tuned.